My name is really not Easy Street Pete, it's Pete Sanchez, and I'm the maitre d' here at American Asphalt. It's up to me to make sure that our customers can get in, get taken care of, get out timely, and get onto their job site. Got Miller Pipeline in here. See them about every other day. What are you in here today picking up?
Easy Street.
Easy Street.
Just seeing the different technologies and the fact that there's something like Easy Street that you can just throw in a wet puddle and it becomes hard asphalt, it's just really, really intriguing.
It's been a rainy season this year, and without Easy Street, these holes would have never been filled. You just fill it, tamp it, and forget about it.
This is one of our 3 asphalt plants where we make Easy Street asphalt. Easy Street is a cold patch product. The way Easy Street is constructed is better than any other mix out there, and that's why our customers keep coming back for more and more. It's a permanent solution, and our quality control people make sure every ton that goes out of here is on spec.
I can buy it either in bulk, put it a ton or so in the back of a Mason dump truck, or I can buy it by bags.
The natural progression for this company is that now the employees are the majority owners. Every single team player that we have here has a vested interest in the long-term relationships with our customers.
Roast in the rain, snow, sleet, hail, tornadoes, you want it, you got it.
When my people talk about this company, they use the word we. It's not like, well, I don't know why they do this. We talk about this is why we do this. And that culture is just amazing to me.
I work for American Asphalt. Their core values are awesome, that they think about other people besides themselves.
We all help each other no matter what. When someone's not in for a couple of days, we miss them. We want to know what's going on with them.
I shouldn't say like, we love the company. I know I do. I love the people, I love the company, man. You can't get better than this. The people are the backbone of the company.
At least once a day, I break open a bag of Easy Street and patch a pothole for a customer to show them how it works.
This company works around the core values that we live by. We use the acronym RIGHT. R is for respect. I is for integrity. The G is for God. H is for honesty. And T is for trust. It's on every truck we have. That's our one-word, meaningful statement to the community. You can trust us.
Everyone says that their company is like a family, but we really are. We actually get along with each other. We all try to support each other and make sure that everyone helps out in any way they can. What do I do for fun? I come to work.